After party vibe, yours. Two strangers, one unforgettable night. I saw you standing underneath the club lights, red dress shining, everybody watched you pass by. Perfect body looking like a dream. One little smile and you stole my peace. DJ playing something soft and slow. You came closer, started moving real close. We said a few words, but I said more. That chemistry hit like never before. Cocktail in your hand while you dance so low. Waistline moving perfectly with the flow. The whole room disappeared from my sight. From that moment it was only you and I. You whispered, baby, let's get some mine. I say, girl, tonight I'm going there. We left the party but the fire stayed alive. Even in the parking lot the tension started rising. After party we left the club together. Your lips on my neck while I held you closer. Inside the car the heat kept rising slowly. Two bodies close, neither wanting to let go. After party, midnight fantasy. Your hand in mine while you leaned on me. No pressure, we were just feeling the vibe. Till sunrise found us side by side. Rain falling softly on the windows outside. Low music playing while we enjoyed the ride. You touched my face and looked into my eyes. That little smile nearly stopped my mind. Perfume on my shirt, your lipstick on my skin. Every little move pulled me deeper in. We reached the hotel but the feeling stayed strong. Like two hearts already connected for so long. Dim lights glowing inside the room. Slow dancing together with nothing to prove. I held your hand and kissed your forehead slow. That night became a memory we'll always know. Slow motion, no stress tonight. Just passion and emotion. Body close, soul connection. After party, feelings taking control. Two strangers finding something